How to get a free trial of Wispr Flow. This is Matt, and in this video I'll show you how to get that free 14-day trial on Wispr Flow. So first things first, I do have an affiliate link in the video description. If you click my link just below this video, you'll find yourself on this page or a very similar page depending on how Wispr Flow change their pages over time. So very simply, you can start with the free plan. They call it Flow Basic, described as for individuals. And as you can see here at the top, you are downloading the app and you will instantly get that 14-day free trial of Flow Pro, which is their main paid plan, as you can see right here. So you can download instantly. It knows that I'm on a Mac. You can get it on Windows and lots of other systems and devices as well. It's just saying Mac OS as I'm here on my Mac right now. And as you can see here, it says you'll start with Flow Pro free for 14 days. So the first 14 days of your trial, of your usage, you will get this plan right here. So the free plan is limited. You only get 2,000 words per week on Mac or Windows, and only 1,000 words per week of Flow for iPhone. And there's some other limitations, and you can see right here what the feature set is. But with Flow Pro at £12 per user per month. Now this is coming up in pounds as I'm here in Britain. I do mostly work in dollars myself, so I can translate this into dollars. It's around $18 per user per month. So you're getting everything in Flow Basic, but you are importantly getting unlimited words per week on Mac, Windows, iPhone and Android. You're getting prioritized support and feature requests, command mode for editing, early access to new features and team collaboration features. So I've been using Wispr Pro, it must be about 3 months now. I can't do without it really. I talk everything into my microphone now, whether it's writing an email, putting in a prompt or command for a large language model like ChatGPT or Claude, or just doing some editing work, whether it's on Google Docs or doing some development stuff on Cursor or Lovable. I'm just talking into my microphone all the time now. Words per minute have gone up through the roof. So much more efficient and better than looking down, typing on your keyboard. I was never the fastest typer, but I wasn't that slow. But this has just made me lightning efficient, and it's just a pretty awesome tool all in all. I do have a detailed video I go through Wispr Flow, how I use it, all of the best little hacks and tweaks and stuff you can do with it. I will link that in the video description. It'll probably come up at the end of this video as well, so you can click on that or just search for it using keyword Wispr Flow on my channel using the search. So these prices right here are with a 20% discount for annual, by the way, but that is how you will get that 14-day free trial. You would click here for download, whether it's Mac OS or Windows. Then you can get started by creating your account here. So you can go old school, just put your email in, or if you have a Google account, you can continue with Google, with your Gmail, enter your Gmail. You can verify through there. Same with Apple, same with Microsoft, or you can continue with SSO. So that is Wispr Flow. Use my link. Get that bonus, get that benefit, check it out, test drive the platform, get that free 14-day trial, see if Wispr Flow is the right tool for you. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't, you don't know until you give it a test drive, so give it a test drive and see if it works for you. If it does, you can stick around, get a paid plan. If not, you can just stay on free forever. Hopefully you found this video on how to get that 14-day free trial of Wispr Flow useful. If this video has been helpful and informative, drop the video a like, it really helps. And subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.